Hey guys, today I want to share with you my top splurge-worthy products from 2023. Hi, my name is Dr. Jenny Liu. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't noticed, I've recently started a series before the end of the year where I'm sharing my favorites of 2023. And I'll definitely link the ones I already posted in the description box below. All right, splurge-worthy products. Now, I think there's definitely something to be said about pricier products, whether it's their cosmetic elegance, their scent, or just the amazing science behind them. And that is truly why I'm sharing these with you today. Now, I do know that not everyone is able to afford expensive skincare products. There are lots of great products over the counter in drugstores that are equally effective. However, skincare is very personal, and a lot of times not only is the product, but the experience of using it is also essential and impactful for your overall well-being. So today, I really want to share the top ones that I have loved and that I have discovered through collaboration with brands, ones that I actually do routinely purchase myself and incorporate into my skincare routine. My definition in this video here, what splurge-worthy means, and these are basically products that are $150 or more. And it's all relative. Like for some people, that is super unaffordable, super expensive. And for some, many do spend more than even $200 and $300. But I'm defining this video as a particular product, an item that is more than $150. And also keep in mind, like I said, skincare is so personal, but if you are looking to buy something nice for yourself or as a nice holiday gift for a skincare enthusiastic friend, relative, or mom, I think these would definitely make great holiday gifts. So the first product is from Skinceuticals, and it's their AGE Interrupter Advanced Anti-Wrinkle Face Cream that retails for $185. I have to say, this is probably one of my favorite moisturizers of 2023. And it took 15 years for them to formulate this product, and the science is super interesting. It contains a patented ingredient by L'Oreal that's called Proxylane. Proxylane essentially is derived from birchwood, and it's a sugar molecule. And essentially what it does is it goes into the skin to help stimulate our skin's natural production of hyaluronic acid along with other proteoglycans to improve skin's firmness and elasticity. Through laboratory studies as well as clinical studies taking biopsies of the skin using products from Skinceuticals with this ingredient, and demonstrated that the skin's natural hyaluronic acid and proteoglycans as well as other part of the extracellular matrix, essentially they've shown that this helps increase hyaluronic acid, proteoglycans, as well as help to restructure the extracellular matrix, which essentially is the scaffold for keeping our skin plump, more youthful, and firm. This ingredient itself is certainly not new, but in this formula, they're using it in 18% concentration, I believe, along with 4+% of fruit-derived antioxidants and then 0.1% purple rice extract. I also am obsessed with this rich balm-like texture, which I know is not for everyone, but if you have more dry skin, more sun-damaged skin, I call it more mature skin that often is on the drier side, I think you'll absolutely love it. I applied this at night over my topical retinoid or chemical exfoliant. It's nourishing, it's hydrating, but it's also doing all the goodness that it's supposed to do. I also absolutely love it for crepey neck to help improve neck wrinkles, improve the firmness of your neck. And lastly, if you do get procedures like resurfacing procedures, microneedling, laser, this would actually make a great complement to that, either enhancing the results or potentially prolonging your cosmetic procedures by doing kind of those things we talked about earlier. So highly recommend if you are looking for a great anti-aging moisturizer to use alone or to complement your topical retinoid as well as neck cream in one. The next product is from SkinBetter, and it's their AlphaRet that retails for $135 for 30 ml. So SkinBetter is a brand that I really have grown to love this year. They have wonderful formulation, and really interestingly, they also have been required by L'Oreal, so fall in the same family as Skinceuticals. And I think that can be sometimes confusing for consumers, like which one do I use? And I do feel that each brand are unique and have different things to offer depending on your skin type and what your skin needs are. But how I view SkinBetter, it often does formulate in a way that's more suitable for those with more sensitive, rosacea prone skin. And the products I'm talking about here really are that. It delivers great results, but minus the irritation. And the AlphaRet is really fascinating because, as the name implies, it has a derivative of retinoid ester that is basically forms a conjugate bond with lactic acid chemistry wise. And then when it's applied onto your skin breaks those two down into retinoid and lactic acid. And what it does as a product, and the end result is that it delivers what retinoids are supposed to do, improves fine lines, wrinkles, but the lactic acid improves the penetration, but also improves skin hydration. And that's what they see clinically, is that it's not actually irritating, and in fact it's the reverse. They've actually compared this product with a traditional over-the-counter retinol and then tretinoin, in that patients who use this not only improved better skin hydration, but also similar outcome as far as improving fine lines and wrinkles. And that is also my personal experience. It's a rich, creamy retinol serum, you can call that is lovely, hydrating, but not sticky, greasy, or heavy. In addition to the retinoid, the lactic acid also contains peptides, along with other antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E. That just all around a great product to incorporate into your anti-aging skincare routine. The next one is again from SkinBetter, and it's their Alto Defense Serum that I believe also retails for $135 for 30 ml. God, I am like obsessed with this form of vitamin C serum, and literally if I could pick 2 vitamin C serums in different formulas to use for the rest of my life, the watery one that contains pure vitamin C would be Skinceuticals AGE, and then this one from SkinBetter Alto Defense would be my choice for lipid-soluble vitamin C, which is the star ingredient in this product. In addition to lipid-soluble vitamin C, also contains vitamin E along with 17 additional antioxidants derived from berries, plants, coenzyme Q10, lots of different things that really work synergistically to not only defend your skin against environmental aggressors, but also helps to brighten by support collagen synthesis and overall improve uneven skin texture and skin tone. I absolutely love the rich creamy texture that this serum has, and really lovely for those with dry skin or to use in the winter time, or those with sensitive skin and have a hard time tolerating traditional pure vitamin C serum and a watery serum. This is one I highly recommend checking out. The next product is from Guerlain, from their Abeille Royale line, and it's their Advanced Youth Watery Oil that retails for $145. Putting this product in here because for me, this really symbols the combination of self-care and science in skincare. Skincare, I need to find it enjoyable to use. It's relaxing for me. Really feel good after I use it all over, but also makes my skin feel really good as well. And lastly, I'm really impressed by the science and research Guerlain does put into in their skincare products. I think a lot of times we may question these luxury brands on the science, but to be honest, Shiseido, Chanel, Lancome, and Guerlain, they actually do quite a bit of studies and research in their formula. Full disclosure, was invited by Guerlain earlier this year to travel to France to visit the island of Wassan, which is the island that houses these unique species of black bee that is only found on that island. And these black bees do produce honey that actually has been shown in laboratory studies to have different composition. And so this watery oil contains honey from these black bees, as well as other islands from Greece and other countries in Europe that are all unique in its biodiversity. So you get a combination of different bioactives, amino acids, sugars, proteins, peptides in each of the honey, and really has been shown, is really fascinating to actually understand their 10-year plus of research in formulation, all the unique differences that each honey brings, and formulating this watery oil. This serum essentially is a watery serum with these oil capsules that is derived from, I think, 95% of the black bee, along with other ingredients, really forming this nice hydrating serum. And as you apply, you first shake up the bottle and then you apply the watery oil, and the oil particles break up. So even though it's an oil, it's really like a watery serum with a nourishing texture, and the scent is amazing. And it's also very soothing, has anti-inflammatory properties, which we do know honey has a long history of use in dermatology and skincare, so we don't doubt that. But this can also be used potentially to complement minor procedures as well, because it has been shown to actually expedite skin healing and skin rejuvenation. Last but not least, it's not a skincare product, but a gadget, a device that I recommend, especially if you're looking to elevate your anti-aging skincare routine. And it's the Omnilux facial contour mask, as well as their neck and chest mask. Not something that you should have, especially if you're just starting off with skincare, but if you actually have a good pre-existing skincare routine and looking to elevate that to get some additional benefits, but not quite ready for like in-office cosmetic procedures, I think this would be a great in-between to add on. Now, I recommend this one because this is the one that I've been using for the past 6 months with really good results. Omnilux is a brand that actually makes light devices for in-office use, so I definitely trust them when it comes to making credible science-based home devices. And actually, Omnilux, their LED masks have the most number of clinical studies and published literature. This one's really nice because it's silicone-based, it's flexible, you basically velcro it to your face. And I also love the fact that it has a separate neck and chest mask, as well as gloves, which I haven't tried, to target like other areas that age just as fast, if not faster, that may often get neglected. This is really nice because you basically use this 3 to 5 times as part of your treatment session for about 4 to 6 weeks, and then use as needed for maintenance. So the time dedication is definitely manageable, and it contains red and infrared light, which are the two wavelengths that we know has more anti-aging, collagen stimulation benefits compared to like the shorter wavelength like blue and red light that helps to target acne. I also love it because these comes with portable battery packs so that you can recharge them, but then you can just use these portable battery packs and walk around wearing them if you like. I have gotten most noticeable results on my neck. I definitely suffer from tech neck, and this is one area where I have not undergone any cosmetic procedures. I'm, to be honest, a little bit fearful of that because my neck is super sensitive, and to this day I will still break out in eczema patches when I'm sleep deprived, when I'm sick, when I'm traveling. And my neck is one area, like I said earlier, I cannot use tretinoin on, and even certain retinols will make me break out really easily. So I really wanted to see how much improvement I can get with LED masks, and that's really what started my journey. And I basically paired it with my face because why not? And I have to say, about 5 to 6 months into using it, I have noticed that the wrinkles, the depth of the wrinkles, and the extensiveness of just how visible they are have definitely softened. And certainly, I also accredit that to just my ongoing great skincare regimen overall, but I definitely have noticed a good response, in particular with my neck. So again, something worth splurging if you are in the market to get an LED mask for anti-aging benefits, but not something that should be replacing your skincare routine. If you have a very advanced signs of aging, deep wrinkles, sagging, no device is going to help fix that. Here, seeking out cosmetic or even surgical procedures make the most sense. They're going to offer you the most benefits, most impactful improvements, and for you, get the most bang from your bucks. Alright guys, so those are my personal splurge-worthy products for 2023. Let me know if you tried any of these or if you're planning to try any of these. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't miss out on my other top products from 2023. I'll link them below in the description box. I will see you guys next time.